Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, which especially is very critical. Velo basically has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005 in an especially large manner. Velo's EMA10 certainly shows a sort of descending pattern incredibly. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days amazingly. 19 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these habitually for the most part, gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts, what sort of is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for Velo, truly is Velo a sort of wise venture, which really is very critical, Velo support and opposition levels and so forth, which for the most part is very critical, be that as it may, prior to jumping profound into the Velo specialized examination in every practical sense, let us for the most part discuss the really current economic situations, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,198,816,136,743, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The truly complete exchanging volume basically remains at $30,093,017,822, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14%, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 0.15%, coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14%, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time span, which explicitly is very critical. BNB, the fundamentally local coin of BNB, essentially is up by 0.18 and right now exchanging at $240.64, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which in every practical sense is very critical. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market especially is going in a fundamentally descending heading for most certainly present moment, in every practical sense. Further appearance, how BNB, the all things considered local coin of BNB, certainly is up by 0.18 and as of now exchanging at $240.64, which is very critical. As of now, an exceptionally broad, for the most part regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize most certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. Support generally is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become basically more especially dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors sort of become move commonly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Further appearance, how the essentially complete exchanging volume generally remains at $30,093,017,822, which truly is very huge. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution, as per value examination market file. Velo fundamentally is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, exhibiting how which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14%, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days. in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. However, Velo by and large has a value decline of 5.82% in the last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a truly complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars. So market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole digital currency market to $1,198,816,136,743, which especially is genuinely huge. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for 19 July 2023, inside a kind of everyday time period, fundamentally made sense of underneath, exhibiting that similarly, opposition basically is a level at which merchants certainly move certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. By and large, further appearance, how the really complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $30,093,017,822, which generally is very critical. We utilize extremely relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and dramatic moving really normal, EMA too for the most part. Examine the future development of the Velo. By and large, further appearance how Velo support and opposition levels, and so on in an unobtrusive manner. The truly relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin for the most part is in oversold stage, as RSI certainly is at 30 amazingly. The Velo United States dollar moving sort of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, marker in a real sense, is demonstrating a momentary sort of sell in every practical sense, signal, as the MACD line truly is moving underneath exceptionally signal line, which for the most part implies by and large bears in a real sense are ruling on the lookout in every way that really matters. Further appearance how however Velo for the most part has a value decline of 5.82%. In the sort of last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with a sort of all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars. So market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,198,816,136,743 in an unobtrusive manner, while Velo's Williams %R marker fundamentally is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and kind of momentary pattern. Certainly inversion certainly is conceivable. So support basically is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become most certainly something else in every practical sense, dynamic, and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling.